So their customer service is one of the best you can find.
The customer service was great.
Customer support is amazing.
The customer support has been an A+. Corona is way more responsive.
When it comes to calling Corona support, there's no going through a menu. I have never called Corona where I was longer on the wait line than 1 minute.
I have trouble with I do call in support, which is great because I actually have support. Now I don't have nobody answering the phone. So I get things answered right away.
It took sometimes 2 days when I opened a ticket with Senate. Corona, I'm able to respond within a couple hours.
Something didn't work at the till, so I panicked. I called support. They're able to fix it within like 5 minutes. It was super easy.
Everybody knows what I'm talking about. They knew what my problem was and we all fixed them.
Ongoing support is wonderful. They will stay with you until they fix your problem.
They can go right into our system, figure it out, and then fix it for us right on the spot.
I can call multiple times a day and everybody knows exactly what's going on and who I am and what the account setup is like. So it's been absolutely impressive.
I love the videos that you guys do. That really helps. And whenever we had a question, we just text it and off you go.
We called Corona, the conversation was 5 minutes and then it was fixed. The support outweighs everything. Being able to call somebody and get help immediately and then fix your problems immediately it's just awesome. Customer support is amazing.